Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change Netflix playback settings, streaming control step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app or go to netflix.com on your device. Sign in to the Netflix account you want to manage. Click your profile icon in the top right corner on web or open the menu in the app. Select account to enter your account settings page. Scroll down to the profile and parental controls section. Choose the profile you actually watch with, because playback settings are per profile. Click Playback Settings to open streaming control options. Find the Data Usage per Screen section to control streaming quality and data. Select Auto if you want Netflix to decide based on your internet speed. Select Low if you want the lowest data usage and basic video quality. Select Medium if you want balanced data usage and standard definition quality. Select High if you want the best available quality but higher data usage. If you have multiple people watching, repeat these steps for each profile. Scroll a bit more and locate the Autoplay Controls section. Uncheck Autoplay Next Episode in a series on all devices if you do not want episodes to start automatically. Uncheck Autoplay Previews while browsing on all devices if you do not want trailer-like previews. Click Save to apply your changes to the selected profile. Wait a few seconds to make sure the settings are stored on your account. Close and reopen Netflix to force a quick refresh on some devices. Start playing any title to test your new streaming quality behavior. If video looks blurry on high, pause and check your internet connection speed. If you want to reduce buffering, try medium instead of high. On mobile, also check your phone's data saver settings because they can limit quality. On Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or switch to a less crowded network if needed. If you use a smart TV, fully exit the Netflix app and launch it again after saving. If you cannot find playback settings in the app, use a web browser on your phone or PC to change it. Remember that higher quality uses more data, which matters on limited internet plans. Go back to account anytime to adjust these settings again for different situations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.